This is Loki Boat Spit, aka my new puppy. Say hi, Loki.
He's not new. He's on a leash.
Loki.
You can't go free.
Stop.
I can't go.
Loki, say hi.
He can't.
Sniffing it.
Stop.
Especially what's the Loki stance.
What's your baby doing? You're a baby boy. Hi.
Somebody's like.
Hi. Hello.
And this is my bike. I don't know why I want to show the bike. Anyways, here is Loki.
When his mirror is when he's flying.
Look.
No.
You okay?
Okay.
Ow.
No.
Why you where's your shorts at? I got.
Have shorts under that.
She ain't got no shorts on. Loki. No.
By the way, I'm not white. I'm black. Anyways,
Look.
Hi. Hello.
You can hold him.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Daddy did the nails.
Anyways.
You're just scratching me. Your nails is long, bro. Ow.
Can you help me? Missy, don't bite
what is that?
Is he hungry now?
Yeah. Yeah, probably is. He always be busting those down.
Sorry. Just a little bit.
No, you stop going in the bushes.
Yeah.
He smells Nico.
Nico's in the house.
Ah!
Good.
Really, Zai?
What?
Girl. You're not the boss. Ugh. It's not it's Zai, it's not it's
If it sails up, yeah.
Family.
Don't say my
X-A. Get your butt. You want to play with his leash. I'm about to play with his leash. Wait, stop. Look up.
That was the Loki show. There's gonna be more later. Bye.